Hi guys, I'm back in my shop today and I had a fun little project I did yesterday to actually finish another project because that's how I roll. I just can't get things done in one day. I've got too many kids for that. Anyways, I had these Trout stained glass pieces that I did, and I didn't have the wooden bookend parts done, and I figured that out yesterday. I got them done, and I just wanted to share the quick process with you. When I was building these, I couldn't find a video on it, and I was like, how do I make those? Well, I figured it out. So here's my process. Here it is. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Hi, so I'm going to link these safety glasses down below because if you're a girl and you need safety glasses for anything, you need these. These are awesome. I found these. They are a hidden gem. I got them on Amazon. I'll link them down there. So I'm using a palm router right now to put a dado groove. There you see it down the center of my wood. And I'm just checking to make sure it fits. I'll link all the tools and stuff I use down below. And then I cut my pieces down. I cut 2 for the bottom, 2 for the top, or side rather. I hate sanding. Does anyone else hate sanding? Let me know in the comments. It's one of my least favorite parts of every project. This is good sandpaper. I used 220. I just kind of smoothed all the edges and everything out. Check to make sure it fit in there. And it was at this point where I thought to myself, I don't think I did it wrong. It looks like I almost did it right. Maybe I did it right. And then I did it again. 2 of them. Look at that. Go me. So I used a C-clamp to hold it down to the table, and I use my crown stapler. I'm a big fan of staples with little projects like this instead of just nails because I think they hold better. Maybe that's my opinion. I don't know. Go ahead and tell me what I'm doing wrong down below in the comments. And then I took some wood putty and filled in my staple holes. Sanded the extra wood putty off, and then I stained the pieces. I used Minwax. This one's called Special Walnut. That's the color I used, and I did a couple coats on it. If you're not familiar with stain, be careful with it. It'll combust if you leave it on the rags and just throw them in the trash. Don't do that. You gotta soak them in water. At least that's what I do. I soak them in a bucket of water. So then I took some Weld Bond glue. This is some pretty good stuff. I use this on everything. I use it for my mosaics and all that nonsense. And I put it down my dados, and then I just push the stained glass fish in there and fit down there pretty easily. And then I wiped all the excess glue off. And then I repeated that whole thing a second time. Look at me go. This was kind of a fast little fun project. I'm definitely going to probably make some more of these. Wipe all that extra glue off and bam, look at that. Oh, they're so pretty. You don't even have to put these next to books. These could just sit on a shelf, and you could put like a fake candle behind it, some light. Oh, there you go. Gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Let me know what you think. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my super cool bookend video. It is short, right? It wasn't that long. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try these out. I hope you make some cool stained glass bookends. If you do stained glass, that's awesome. Show me, and like, comment, share, show me what you got. See you around.